Hi, it's Yuki. How you guys doing? In this video, I'm going to talk about how to express desire in Japanese. So let's get started. First of all, in English, you can express desire with want, but in Japanese, we need to use different words for nouns and verbs. First, I'm going to talk about how to express desire with verbs. Japanese verbs can be divided into three types: Group 1, Group 2, and Group 3. Each of the groups has different conjugation system to express desire. First, Group 1. The verbs which belong to Group 1 are here. These are not all. Actually, you can check Japanese verbs in this website. Also, the link is in the description in this video, so please try to check it. Then, I'm going to explain the conjugation system for Group 1 using this verb, yomu, which means read. The part you need to change is the last vowel of the verb. So, you need to change the last vowel to I vowel, so it will be yomi. After that, you need to attach tai to the verb. So, yomitai. Yomitai, which means I want to read. Okay, let's take a look at another word. Kaku. Kaku, which means write. The last vowel is u. Then you need to change the vowel to I vowel and attach tai to the verb. Kakitai. Kakitai. I want to write. The negative form is here. Takunai. For example, hanasu. Hanasu, which means speak. Then you need to change the last vowel to I vowel and attach takunai to the verb like this. Hanashitakunai. Hanashitakunai. I don't want to speak. Then Group 2. The verbs which belong to Group 2 are here. I'm going to use taberu to explain the conjugation system for Group 2. Taberu means eat. In the case of the verbs which belong to Group 2, the first thing you need to do is to remove the last letter. In the case of taberu, it's ru. So you need to remove ru from the verb. After that, you need to attach tai to the verb like this. Tabetai. Tabetai. I want to eat. Okay, another example. Neru. Neru, which means sleep. The last letter is ru. So you need to remove ru from the verb and attach tai to the verb. Netai. I want to sleep. Okay, let's take a look at one more example. Kariru. Kariru, which means borrow. You need to remove ru from the verb and attach tai to the verb. Karitai. Karitai. I want to borrow. Then the negative form is takunai. So you could say tabetakunai, netakunai, karitakunai. Okay, I'm going to show you example sentences. 本を読みたい. I want to read books. 今すぐ寝たい. I want to sleep right now. 日本語を話したい. I want to speak Japanese. アニメを見たい. I want to watch anime. 走りたくない. I don't wanna run. この服は着たくない. I don't wanna wear these clothes. By the way, I'm talking about the basic rule of the Japanese conjugation system in this video. If you have not watched this video yet, please watch it because it's very important topic in learning Japanese. So please try it. Next, Group 3. Actually, Group 3 has only two verbs, suru and kuru. Also, it has irregular conjugation system, so please try to memorize them. The conjugations are here. Kuru becomes kitai. Suru becomes shitai. I'm going to show you example sentences. 韓国に来たい? Do you want to come to Korea? またここに来たい. I want to come here again. 料理したい. I want to cook. サッカーしたい? Do you want to play soccer? Next, I'm going to talk about how to express desire with nouns. So when you want something, you need to use 欲しい. For example, リンゴが欲しい. I want apples. みかんが欲しい. I want oranges. リンゴ means apples. みかん means oranges. So it's interchangeable with a noun. However, there is one thing you might be confused. it's about the difference between が and は。Actually, リンゴが欲しい and リンゴは欲しい。Both of the sentences is correct, but they have different meaning. リンゴが欲しい means I want apples. Meanwhile, リンゴは欲しい means I want only apples. Okay, I'm going to show you example sentences. ゲームが欲しい I want games. お金は欲しい I want only money. これは欲しい I want only this one. それが欲しい I want that one. Okay, finally, I'm going to give you one question for reviewing today's lesson. The question is here. There is one English sentence, I want to get back. Then there are two Japanese sentences, 帰りたい 帰りたい. Then, which Japanese sentence do you think is correct? I'll give you 5 seconds. Okay, are you done? The answer is here. 帰りたい is correct. First, 帰る belongs to group 1, so you need to change the last vowel to e vowel, so it will be 帰り. After that, you need to attach たい to the verb. 帰りたい I want to get back. That's it. How was it? Actually, there are more questions for reviewing today's lesson. You could take the test on this website. Also, the link is in the description in this video, so please just try it. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon. See you.